Hi everyone, this is Harshvardhan and you're watching on the YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recommend similar posts. So let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So here I am on my Visual Studio Code and I will say python manage .py run server, and now just navigate to this link, go to /list. Okay, now think where we want to recommend similar post. It should be on detail view, right? So just get inside the detail view, and now below right here we want to display our similar post. And how that can be done? It will be done with the help of tags. We will identify all those posts that have similar tags. Let's say post 0 have tag 1, tag 2 and tag 3. Then we will identify all those posts that have tag 1, tag 2 and tag 3. So what I will do, I will just go inside the template inside my app. In detail view, I will say tags, and that will be post.tags.all. Okay, save this, get back here, refresh. So post 0 have tag 1, tag 6 and tag 10. You can obviously use for loop to get the tags, but here I just want to give you an idea what are the tags. And now we have to find those posts that have these three tags. So get back inside views.py, inside post detail, we will say post tags equals to post.tags.all. and now if we print post tags, it will be a query dictionary. Refresh, and now right here inside the console you can see we have the query dictionary. Now once we got the query dictionary, we have to identify similar post. So we will say similar posts equals to post.object.filter status is published and tags underscore underscore in equals to, where we have to find the tags, we have to find tags in post tags. So we have to identify those posts that are having tags either tag 1, tag 6 or tag 10. So we will say tags in post tags. Okay, now we also want to exclude the current post. That means if you are reading post 0, then you don't want to recommend post 0 itself, right? So we have to exclude that. We will say exclude pk equals to pk. Okay, great. Now I just want to print the similar post, similar underscore post, and save this. Get back here, refresh, and we got an error saying status. It should be status. Save and again refresh. Okay, so now if we see in the console, we have a lot of different posts that have either tag 1 or tag 6 or tag 10 or all of these. Okay, so now if we have to sort them, then what do you think? How we can sort them? We can sort them on the basis of number of tags shared. For example, let's say this post title 2 have tag 1, post title 3 have tag 6, another post have tag 10. Okay, let's say some another post have tag 1 and 6 and some other tag 6 and 10 and another tag, and some posts have all these three tags in common. So how we can order them? We will order them on the basis of tag shared. Okay, if they have all these three tags are in common, then that should be recommended first. Now if two different posts have similar tags, let's say tag 1 and tag 2 having all these three tags, tag 1, tag 6 and tag 10, then how can we recommend? That means how should we order them? then at that point of time we will order them on the basis of time created. Okay, so let's do that. I will say similar posts equals to similar posts dot annotate, and right here we will say tag count equals to count, what we have to count, tag, and now we will say dot order by what, according to what thing we have to order. We have to order by the tag count. We'll say tag underscore of count and created. Now here we have just provided the attributes tag, count and created, so they will be sorted as in ascending order, but we have to sort them in the descending order, so that's why we will say minus and minus. Okay, great. Descending order, that means the newest should be first and the lowest should be the last. Okay, now see, we have written this statement, but we didn't understand what's this. At first, this count isn't defined, so from where we have to import the count and what it does. So at first I will just import that count. So I will say from Django.models. It should be Django.db.models import count. Okay, so we are counting the tags present in the, let's say, in post 2 and saving them in tag count. Okay, so if I save this and now similar post is a query dictionary, I will grab the element 0 and I will say dot tag underscore count. I will save this and get back here, refresh the page. We got an error saying cannot resolve keyword tag, where it should be tags. Okay, save this and again refresh the page, get back here. See, we got an output of 2. That means 2 tags are shared. If we print, let's print out the similar post 0 tags dot all. I will save this and get back here, refresh the page, and back here you can see we have tag 1, tag 6 common, but we should have tag 10 to be 3, but in post 2 we have tag 7. That's why we have 2 tags are shared. Okay, great. Now we have to render this similar post onto the template. For this, what we will do, we will just remove these 2 statements, and right here in the context we will say similar post, and it will be similar post and it should be similar posts. Okay, now save this, get back inside the detail.html, and just before the form of comment you will create a h3 tag. You will say h3 similar post h3, and right here I will just say similar posts. Okay, save, get back here, refresh. So now we have a query dictionary of all the posts, but we have to render them. So how we will do that? We will just say for post in similar posts, and we will say post right here. Save this, get back here, refresh. So now we have the title of all the posts. I will use line breaks, save, refresh. Great. Now we have all the similar posts. So now we have to create a link so that we can click on a particular post, and for that what we will do, we will say a, and right inside the variable we will say post dot get absolute URL, Control X, Control V, save, get back right here and refresh. See, now we have all the post as a link. Now if I click on post title 87, I will be navigated to post title 87. Okay, great. But see, here we have a lot of posts, but with the help of designing, you can design them. You can just take them from here to here, anywhere you can just design it. But here we want to learn how Django works. So what I will do, I'll just get back here and restrict the count of similar posts to 3. So right here we will say similar post to 3, slice them, refresh, get back here, refresh. So now we have only 3 posts. We can go to post 87, 71 and 69. And I also want to add here comment, 3 comment slash h3. Save this and get back here, refresh. Great. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next one. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram at harshvardhan.ai. Thank you.